guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Ashley, if you didn't know. And today I'm going to be showing you guys my puppy when she gets done scratching. I don't like cats. I'm not offending you if you do. I'm just allergic to cats. So if I like them, either way, I just got out of the shower. I didn't tell them. If I do like them, I'm not allowed to have one anyway. So I have a doggy. This is Allie. I'm Ashley, and this is Allie. Look, Allie. She's the cutest thing ever. And then she has this little thing on because she's so tiny, and we can't just put a collar on her and put her outside on the leash. We have to have a little strap. See how you can see. She's so cute. This is Allie. And oh, I want to see something. I do this all the time. Okay, stay. Do you want headband or bow? Headband or bow? Okay, she wants the bow. This is how I know if she wants something. She'll lay down by it. This is it. She took the bow. So let me get the bow. Come here. Come here. Hold on, guys. Let me get this. Ready? Here. Good girl. Hold on. Be good. Let me see your ear. Oh. Look, little baby has a bow in her hair. You guys can't really see it. Want me to fix it? Oh, I'm so sorry, guys. Want me to fix it? I know it hurts. I don't think she likes the bow. But you picked it. Let me see your head. Perfect! Okay, now that's cute. And this is what can I she's like, no! This is the headband on her. This is the headband. Allie cats. Hey. I know she doesn't like the headband, but I have to show her to you guys. Okay, put your arms in the headband. You know the drill. Another foot. Okay, I know you don't like it. She hates me right now. She's like, no, get this thing off me. I'm really not that funny. Okay. This is the headband. So cute. Then when I take it off after, I take it off from her booty. So this is this. She lay down on it. I'm just gonna put the bow back in because I think the bow's very cute. Yes, I do. Because the boy is very cute. The bow's cute. The bow's cute. Okay. That's my doggy. And put the bow off, Allie. Let me see. My dog is a rascal. She will scratch the bow off sometimes. Sometimes when she does it on purpose, and when she wiggles, she gets the bow off. Anyway, so this is my front mesh. I was going to show you earlier, but I didn't. And I'm sorry I'm uploading. Well, I'm sorry I'm posting so late. I don't want to take it out of the container, but I might as well for you guys. It's so sticky. That's why. I don't want to take a lot. I'm sorry. It's just super sticky. And I don't have any more activator. And no, I'm not turning into a slime channel. Okay, I'm not. I'm not even going to be making slime on this channel. I'm sorry if you love slime, but I'm not going to make slime on this channel. I just really like slime. So I'll show it to you. Told you guys. Hold on, let me get this off my hand. I'm gonna go over here to my YouTube channel, or my YouTube video. Okay, yes, perfect. That's what happens if I use just in there with one hand. This is what happens if I try to stretch it. It gets stuck in my finger. I don't know, my hair's a hot mess. But I might as well take it out. Just only for you. But it sticks to the table. It sticks to my fingers. I know you guys can see it. So we're going to do some SSMR with slime that you guys have not seen me make. Because I made this yesterday. Let me put you guys in the back. You guys need to see the slime. This thing gets me so mad all the time. I know you guys can't see it. Warming it up. Okay. Putting it into a custom kind of swirl here. To like a circle. Okay. So make your... Ooh, yes, perfect. I'm sorry, I feel so bad. Perfect. Let's get on. I know you guys are going to be like, why? And yes, one day I will do a slime. What is it called? A slime, slime pet peeves. Because sometimes I just really hate slime pet peeves. By the way, I suck at editing, so I just do the video and then edit it. Now watch as I try to get this mess into the container. Okay, that's actually cleanness, but I got in this container today. Like earlier I was like this trying to get... Yesterday I had like this much on my hand. That's a lot on my hand. Let me get the cap. I need to show you guys something. This is like... This has to be... I love this. You guys should really try this if you guys have sticky slime. You spray it with water. This is water. It's not glass. Plus it's water. And then it won't stick to your hands. Well, it might after it dries. But watch. See how it's freshly sprayed? And once it dries, obviously. Once it dries and goes into your fingers. Once it mixes in with the slime, it's going to be sticky again. But let's see if we can get it clean into the bottle again, and then I'll talk to you guys. Okay, ready? Get set, go. Nope, not really. It's never clean. Okay, so anyway. So I need to talk to you guys. So Anyway, I love all my subscribers, so I don't have any, but I don't have any. If I have 1 subscriber, I'll be happy, and I'll jump off the walls. But I want to beat my brother so badly, and he has 17. Sucks. But anyway, my brother's PokeCrafter126. Go subscribe. Actually, don't go subscribe because I want to beat him. But anyway, I'm trying to make my hair look better. It's a mess. So anyway, and I know in the last video I had blonde hair. Whenever my hair is wet, it turns into brown. When it dries, it'll be blonde. It's weird. But yeah, I'm weird, so I'm in spring break, so anyway, so if you guys hit the like button with your ear, put in the comments hashtag I did it, and yeah, and one more thing. Person that comments the nicest thing to me will get a shout out in my next video. Well, tomorrow they'll get a shout out. So, yeah. I love you all.